Is your organization ready for the potential supply chain disruptions that are coming in 2025? My name is Greg Pitstick. I am a managing director at Huron Consulting. For the last 35 years, I've been helping companies improve and create dynamic and resilient supply chains globally. And I've been spending a lot of time with CFOs and vice presidents of operations in the last 4 months talking about how do they prepare for the potential tariffs that are coming and what should they do with their organization. And so we created a playbook for organizations that they can follow. And really it's broken down into 3 categories: what to do in the short term, mid-term, and long term. And the short term, and this is something every organization has to do tomorrow if they haven't already started, is get a handle on their data. Understand what products are made where, and then what's the potential financial impact into your end product so you know what to focus on. Once you have a good handle on the data, you have to assign someone responsibility for monitoring and preparing contingency plans. All of that's a short-term activity. In the midterm, you need to be looking at creating a more resilient supply chain organization. A lot of people talk about creating a resilient supply chain in terms of your suppliers and where they are regionally and how to structure it, but not a lot of people talk about internally. Your organization, the people in the process, need to be integrated and working together, not in Excel. And tariffs are just one more piece to the puzzle. We have been experiencing supply chain shocks for years, from COVID to the Key Bridge falling in Baltimore, to dock strikes, to various raw material shortages. These things are happening more and more often, and you have to have an organization that is integrated and working together. And then finally, for the long term, I recommend that organizations look at how their sourcing is integrated with product development, manufacturing, engineering, and quality. All the way back into the design phase of your products, you should be looking at, do we outsource, do we insource? How should we handle this given a global supply chain and the regionality of how we produce things? Typically, the purchasing group, the suppliers, and the sourcing organization are given specs to go execute. They have no input saying, hey, if we do this differently, maybe we should consider this particular part in-house for competitive reasons, and here's what we can take out more from a commodity basis. So I recommend changing the way that you're actually thinking about your sourcing and your global supply chain all the way back to product development. And again, to help you, we have a playbook that you can download and use to drive the organization forward.